The Subaru EyeSight system is not perfect and it can glitch and it can bother you a lot. So a lot of Subaru owners want to deactivate this EyeSight feature, and if you read the forums you will find this opinion that it's impossible to deactivate this feature without deactivating everything else on your car and basically getting no features. That's not true. In your Subaru there is a special button that can deactivate the EyeSight, and this is the button of two cars and a star between them. So it's kind of a car crash button, I don't know how to call it better. So it's located up near the interior mirror of your car, and it's one of two buttons for the EyeSight system. In most Subaru models it's located on the right side, so you need to press and hold this button for about 5 seconds. It will turn off the pre-collision system, so your car will not brake automatically, and this is what a lot of Subaru owners want to deactivate. If you want your car to not brake, you just press this button and hold it for several seconds until you hear the beep. Now there is some bad news. When you turn off the car and then turn it on again, this feature will reactivate, so it will be active again, and you will need to press this button and hold it again until you hear the beep. And there is no way to set it somehow that it's deactivated forever. Actually, Subaru has written a big 100-page book manual about this EyeSight system, and I will link it in the description. I suppose you will find a lot of useful information in this official manual.